Hey guys, welcome back to itsPriscillaMarie. Today I wanted to use the Zodiac eyeshadow palette with Kathleenlights and Colourpop. I really hope you guys enjoy. Alright, go ahead and apply your favorite eyeshadow primer and blend that out. And the first color I'm going into is Taurus, which is actually what I am. I am a Taurus. I am born May 5th. And applying that to my crease doing window wiper motions. I did have to apply a couple of layers of the shade to really help build up the pigmentation of the eyeshadow. Alright, now I'm going into Sagittarius and applying that directly into the crease, blending a little bit upwards. And of course blending a little bit into the crease all the way towards the front. Right now I went into Virgo first, and then I felt like it was a little bit too light, so I started applying a Capricorn to the outer corner of my eye to really help deepen up the look. And you can see little teeny tiny specks of glitter, which is pretty. Then I went ahead and applied the Too Faced glitter glue to help intensify the shades. And then with a dry blush brush, I'm going into Gemini, and I am cutting the beginning part of my crease. Sorry, it's a little bit out of focus. And then I went into Pieces, which is the shade that I was most excited about. It is so pretty, and no, I did not wet my brush. And then I just patted it down with my fingers to just kind of apply it faster, because yeah, I was in one of those moods to hurry up. And make sure everything else is blended in, and blend in all the other shades together just to make sure everything looks nice and seamless. Right, then I use my Inglot gel eyeliner, and I tight lined, and also my waterline. Then for my lower lashes, I apply Sagittarius to help smoke up that lower lash line, and I applied the Kathleenlights highlight in my inner corners of my eyes. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my mind.